The only light source we have
The
is
only
that
light
torch.
source we have. That's it. That's our only light source.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna put it at dim mode so it won't, the battery won't run. Country balls, you don't need the country balls. Yeah.
Oh no, Jimon's crying. Jimon's crying.
Crying. Imagine if this fall into one of us in the middle of the night.
But what if it falls on the unicorn and the pillow?
This is our only
I see some
light
moths
source.
here. I see some moths.
Those are moths, those are dust.
Oh, I call them moths. I wish there was like a window up here.
No. There's a
Joke.
there's a window on the door though.
Hello, Space Creator. Hello, Lemon Creator. Hello, Electric Fan.